everybody, my name is Creativity, and today I'm gonna be making a Roomba, I guess. I mean, honestly, I've ran out of ideas. Don't look at that. That may look a little bit weird. It's probably a next video. I don't like it. But I've been working on this Roomba. And recently, most of my videos, I've been doing stuff like, oh, I'm gonna first make this, blah blah blah, first make this like arm, mechanical arm, and then record it. Oh my god, my voice. But this time I want to try something different. I'm gonna try to do it now, like show you of my process of building stuff like this, a little Roomba, I guess. So we will get into the shenanigans. Ow. Oh, that hurts. Oh, okay. Ow. Wait, no, I shouldn't have flipped it. Why did I flip it? Ow! Technical difficulties. Please wait. You could speed up, I guess. Alright. So, wait, okay, so this is kind of like the cockpit room. I don't really know how to describe it. These 3 swivel bearings are just like pointed out with laser pointers that are dyed green, so they look like lidars, which is what usually, I'm pretty sure what Roombas use to like navigate around without bumping into everything. This is thrusters to move because the wheels were too inefficient because they keep on rubbing the ground. And this is, well, I overcomplicate a lot. Okay, what I mean by that is, this room is, well, like, so, like, I have an idea, which is, I have a bunch of water, which goes straight into this, creative fluid tank, which, right here, wait, no, and any fluids pushed back into a creative fluid tank will void it. So this will get pushed into here, and then this chocolate, but it kind of looks like dirty water. I don't care, all right. I can't just make a resource pack or whatever. But this is chocolate. This is basically dirty water, and there's a creative fluid tank that gives it infinite supply, which goes in, which makes it look like that it's filling up with dirty water. But what I am trying to do right now is, because eventually, if I just leave this unused, this is just going to be full and this is just going to be 0, which is dumb. So when this becomes 0, I want this to stop, which I decided to use a redstone accumulator, which, well, redstone accumulators can, like, once you turn on this part, it starts going up. Then once you turn on the other part, it starts going down. And I can change how long it goes. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to time, because oh, sorry. Wait a second. Can it just look at, can it? Wait a second. This is, got. Alright guys, so I fixed it, but I don't really, just don't mind the top bar and the bottom bar. This is just my own stuff. Alright, so if I pull up calculator, and if you see this, well, no, this, a full tank, which is what it's gonna be eventually, that this is 288 millibuckets of, like, water, chocolate, whatever. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find the time of that, because this is gonna be at 1. So when I want to, like, kind of use that, well, I don't really know how to explain that. So 288 millibuckets divided by Wait a cut. Sorry, I'm kind of dumb. Yeah, it's 15 because, well, 19.2. Because 15 is like the max limits that redstone can come up to. So, this is how the accumulator works. So, eventually, I'm gonna try to do a time lapse of just filling down until it's maxed out. And I'm gonna be timing this, so I need to first get this back to uh, the right amount because I need it to be 19.200 millibuckets because, well, it was 19.2. So I'm gonna fill this with about that limit. I don't really care how much it is. I don't care if it's 190 or 80 something. I'm just gonna try to get as close as I can get. Alright, I got it to 18,202. Wait a second. There, 19,202, which is about what I got on the calculator. So, I guess it's time to do a time lapse. I'll try to figure this out. Please. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, no. Wait, no, I didn't pull up my timer yet. Wait, no, not that. Stopwatch here. I'm gonna kind of put it in like this. Wait a second. Wait, no. Wait, no. Pull up my stopwatch. Oh, I know. Takes that away. That was an old try, but I forgot to record. Alright. Alright guys, I just realized this is stupidly unnecessary and I don't need to overcomplicate everything. And this is taking way too much time anyways, so I'm just gonna place it back. And I don't care if this is full and this is 0. I do not care about that. So this I can just take that 1. And this I can just take that 1. Boom. Problem solved. I don't need to overcomplicate it. Why was I even trying to overcomplicate it, honestly? I have no clue. Well, I guess this is time I introduce you to how this works. So this goes straight into this docking connector, which docks, simulated contraptions like magnets. And here it says once locked, items fluids can be transferred from either direction. So I'm making sure that this goes into here so it can go out, and this can take out water and put it in here, and this will go into a little storage. I'm trying to make a docking bay like what real Roombas have, but this is gonna be really hard. Oh yeah, this get that away from me. This I'm gonna make it like a Roomba docking bay. I'll try to make it as good as possible, and then I'll just have fluid tanks inside that just hold it, and then once one is full, I'm pretty sure you can just, like what real Roomba dockers do. I just made a new word, bro. what real Roomba dockers do, which is like you take them out manually and put out dirty water. And no, it goes through a filtration system, probably, because the dirty water can go into a filter that can turn into normal water to be reused again. So scrap that. I'm gonna make it. I'm just gonna show you when I'm done. Alright, I'm done with the ramp and my wrist still hurts a lot. No, not my wrist, my finger. And the reason you didn't hear that earlier is because I was muted. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just edit out what I said. Let's try to back in the Roomba. Oh wait, no, I didn't add a backing system. Let me first add that. It won't take that long, so I'm just. I think it works. Oh, I don't think it was just because I didn't have the plume or whatever, the thrust thingy jinky. I think I can back now. Yeah, I can back. Ah, yeah, that's what I thought was gonna happen. I thought it was gonna. Oh no. I mean, going out is fine, but going back in, that's a whole nother story. Because once this is fully in, which I don't think I will, going out, that's completely fine. It's just a little bouncy. Wee. Yeah, but I can't go backwards into it because then it will just. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. Alright, I think I probably fixed the problem. I am not sure though. Let's try this. Alright. And then back. Does this thing even, does this? Wait a second. Just look at it from a bottom view. Oh, that's why. Oh. Well, I will try to fix that. Alright, so I fixed it. And, well, what I really did... First, let me just try it again to make sure. It goes up and up. Woohoo! It works. I'll show you how. So, in this well, not in this video, I just added 2 thrusters on 17,000. That pushes it back up. It wasn't really that hard. First, I tried these wheels. They didn't work because they don't have suspension. Oh my God, was I even talking into the mic? I'm sorry if that sounded a little like not loud. Yeah, I'm sorry. Now I'm just talking into the mic. What else could I add to this? All right, that. Time for another time lapse, I guess. Try the time lapse. Alright, I made the system, and I also added a control which I can turn off the little docking connectors. And it was pretty simple, actually. It was not really that hard. This one's filled with water. It goes into the docking connector, fills up. This one just takes out and voids it. Pretty simple. Now, I'm not gonna do something that will, like, a vanilla version because, well, sure, I could actually do a vanilla version with, like, these red portable engines, but, I wouldn't really like it. It would be quite slow, actually, because, as I said before, the wheels aren't the thing that is controlling it. It is the thrusters in the front. So I'm gonna be making a part which I will, well, suck up stuff, because in Create Aeronautics they have added some, wait, where is it? Is it here? Here it is. Oh no, it's just a normal Create. The nozzle. It recently, Create Aeronautics has added this ponder, which which means it can, it can make stuff go up away from the ground, which also works on water, or suck it. So it can push and drag up uh, mobs and stuff. So I'm gonna try to use the nozzles for that specific use. I'm just gonna make a little wall, I guess. First, let me take a door and take a copycat door. Boom, 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 boom. There, boom. And I can have another door right here. There. There. Alright, now that that is done, we can add the nozzles. Well, and the fans, but mostly the nozzles. So now we can remove this. Oh, I forgot I was still in the air. Okay, so you can remove that. like so. And we can have the fan, oh, not S. Encased fan, let's stick with that. Copycat door. And a motor. Okay, so if I can have a two fans, or this is bad. I hope this is gonna work. This is just gonna look a bit weird on the Roomba. And I just add nozzles like that. Like so. And that door should gonna work. Who cares? Let me just go up. Oh. There. Slice. Boom. Now it looks like it's bulked out. Yes. Okay. So this means that it's, yeah. Oh wait, no, that's pushing. Oh no. Wait. Oh my god. Is this even gonna work? It's just gonna try to float. It can work like that? Damn. Damn, bro, I'm surprised. Alright, it's just time to do this again. Oh no. Okay, so I have, well, done some changes to the dirt magnet, which is what I call it. And here, wait a second. Here, I've added the fan and nozzle thing. Here, it's very bulky, but this goes into here, so when I turn this on, which is space, this turns on, that turns on, that turns on, which turns on these, and they are extremely powerful. And I just phased into the cockpit. That's how powerful I mean they are. I need to turn that off. And now I am gonna try to make a little system that whenever I go into the docking bay, I can like flip a lever or whatever, which can like kill all of the like stuff inside, or yeah, I'll try to make that. Alright, so Minecraft music stopped. I s- Okay, so I have, well, I think I have finished the Roomba, finally, which, just give a tour if you weren't listening the entire time. So at the bottom, the wheels are connected up here. These wheels don't spin, this is just like a real Roomba, it's just there for support so it can stand up. And inside of here, here's a cockpit with two extra levers. Here's how I go backwards. Here's how I go forwards. These are, well, technically how I turned the LiDARs. Well, sure, that's how Roombas work. But I can turn them on and off and stuff. And here's how I go forwards and backwards. It doesn't work because it's usually runs on thrusters. Here are all the nozzles. Here's all the chocolates, or basically dirty water, slowly going up into here, so it looks like it's filling. I should probably block that up so it looks normal. Uh, and here it takes water and voids it out, so it can looks like it's using down the water and filling back up with dirty water. And this little door that I have here. Alright, and here is on the other steps. This is needed so I can use it to while I go up the ramp into the like docking station on it. This is used to turn on the docking connectors on and off. This is to turn on like it will open this part and open a part on top of the docking station, which will kill whatever mob that has been sucked up into from these fans. This is to turn the fans on and off. Now it's on, now it's off. Yeah, this is also for the killing system. Uh, this was for the that was for the nozzles. And I think that's everything. So, I'll just show you the grand result of how it worked. So here's time to show it. First, turn on this to, not turn that on, turn this on. Boom. Now it should be open. Yes. And now we can shift. No, that's a docking space. Now it's sucking it up. Right, I turned off mob spawns. Wait a second. Alright, now there should be a bunch of slimes spawning. Time to go. Oh no, I turned. Okay, don't mind that one LiDAR because I accidentally turned it off. You know what? Fine. Let's just. I don't care. And now it should. Oh no. I gotta target smaller ones. just shoot. Oh no, he died. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's try this. You guys heard that, right? God. What happened here? Oh, oh. Oh my god, the back is lifting up. I put too much thrust. Yeah, wait a second. Let's just, oh! Oh my god. What's up? Let me just fix that. Can think I have ways that I can fix that. Let's just take a thruster. Schlabowie. Schlabowie. Just created another word. Oh my god. Wait, no. Here. Um, the front should now be lifting up. Alright. I love it when he just gets sucked up. Pause. I just really like it. Oh my god. It's so hard to control now. This is gonna take a while. Okay, take two. I'm gonna really try. There's a bunch of slimes over here. Let's try this. Alright, alright. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Oh my god, it's slimy. Bro got slimed. Yeah, it's... Oh, okay. It's working. Okay, I got some slimes in. Now let's just... Oh, these guys are... Okay. Let's go into the docking station. And now... Wait, no, keep them in, keep them in, keep them in. Don't now suffocate them. And we should turn this on. We won't fly. Alright, and now we should... And then, wait a second. Alright. Oh my god! Oh my god, that scared me. That scared the crap out of me, bro. Alright, now I own some slimes. I've just made a kidnapping machine. That's a Roomba. Alright, let's back in. And not yet, not yet. Not yet. Um, it did work in my testing. Oh yeah, I didn't turn on the docking connectors. Hmm. All right. Um, let's turn these on. Hopefully, if I jump, it won't suck me. Yeah. All right. These little guys are stuck here. So if I flip this one, right? And oh wait, no, die. You are so close to your demise right now. What I mean by that, it's time to die. Really? Oh my god. Jumped to his demise. He didn't even care that he got sucked up. Are you also gonna jump in? Ah, you don't get any option. Gun. Well, okay. Oh my god, does the rain have to come in right now? Alright. That is... Alrighty, thank you everybody for watching my video. Please consider liking and subscribing, and leave a comment if you want to see what if you wanna, like, say something to me, or, like, tell me what I should build next, because I have literally no idea. And, thank you for watching, and my name is Creativity, and you are the best.